This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with file parity and visibility basics. Confirm the models. MDL, VTX, and VVD are from the same build and stored in SFM's GAMinfo path so the engine can read them. Once done, load a simple default map and import only that model to rule out scene conflicts. Make sure the console is open. You'll immediately see missing material or model errors, which tell you whether this is a path issue, a broken export, or a material problem. Next, you address materials and geometry. If the console reported missing VMT or texture files, locate the referenced paths and reassign or copy textures into the game's materials folder, then recompile if needed. Meanwhile, open the model in a viewer or blender to confirm normals aren't inverted and the pivot/origin is inside the mesh. Incorrect origin or flipped normals can make models invisible. Once corrected, re-export and re-import. Then reapply the material in SFM and inspect body groups and bone scales. To finish, import the repaired model with Create Animation set from Model and Force SFM to reload shaders and materials. You should immediately see it if materials and meshes are correct. If it's still invisible, swap in a known good material or model to narrow whether the mesh or material is at fault. Finally, consult the console logs for errors. If necessary, rebuild the model files with StudiOMDL or re-export from your tool with default export settings. If problems persist, revert recent export tweaks and test iteratively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.